guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoyed the last video. This time we're making cookies, and as usual the recipe is given beforehand so you can screenshot it then follow through. So firstly, I'm going in with 1.5 cup of flour. I'm using all-purpose flour still, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Blue skies, blue waves, every day's a good day. Then I also used 2 eggs for this recipe. I used 2 eggs with a cup of brown sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla extract.
Ooh, got me feeling dizzy from the summer haze, 'cause we got the sunshine of the poolside.
And I also added 1 cup of melted butter, and then I mixed it until all ingredients were properly and well mixed in together. I separated the wet ingredients from the dry ingredients, then gently added the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients.
With the summer days, ooh, got me feeling dizzy from the summer haze, 'cause we got the sunshine of the poolside, such a fun time living for the high life.
After adding the wet ingredients in, I used a whisk, but you can also use a spoon to just mix everything all in. I just wanted a smooth and clean finish, and it's much faster. So you can use a spoon or you can use the hand mixer. And I also added 1/3 cup of flour because it wasn't holding together well. So I added a little bit more flour. Then mixed it. And also at this time you would also need to prepare your oven down to preheat it. Preheat it at 160. Then when you add your cookies into the oven, you can increase it to 180 so they don't burn fast. And here I added the 1 cup of chopped dark chocolate and mixed with a spoon.
Ooh, got me so in love with the summer days. Ooh, got me feeling dizzy from the summer haze.
Once it's all properly mixed together, you can oil your pan, whatever pan you have you can use. I used olive oils to oil my pan as I did in my previous video, but you can also use butter. And for the shaping, the sizing for the cookies, I used a tablespoon to measure the dough out and just rolled them and used my hands to flatten them on the pan.
With the summer days.
As you can see, this recipe is quite easy to make. It's so easy to make, easy to do, and I promise you it turns out delicious. These are the easiest cookies I've made so far and fastest to go off the plate. And also when you want to bake, I remember preheat at 160, bake at 180, and voila, from 15 minutes and it's done. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye!